Oh, here comes the little one.
That's me.
Wow, they're just bouncing. Touch that.
Yeah, how that one is fly over? How would that one fly over?
That one is United.
How would
This
that
one is American. Southwest. Which one is that? That one's too far out. So what do you think, Evan?
What is it?
Do you want Daddy to picture it
Yeah.
so you can see it later?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I have to cut.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
No. It was the bus from the airport.
What?
It was the bus from
Wow. There's a whole bunch.
the bus are crazy, Daddy.
Uh-huh.
Why the bus are crazy?
They are crazy bird.
Why they doing that, dude?
Because they enjoy looking at the airplane too.
Why?
Because that's a favorite spot.
I like that one too.
Which one do you like the most? Hmm? You like that one?
It was bouncing. Where's the brake? Where's the white and how is it going to jump? It jumps another one. Why? Airport,
This one will take a little bit before it land.
It's a Tesla.
Oh, it is? In it. Look at it. This one.
See, that one is waiting.
Which one? It is landing. Wow, look at that. That one is cool.
I want engine in the wing.
This one is taking off. Wow, look at that, look at that, look at that. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful, bonita, bonita. Look at that. It's going bye-bye.
There's no more.
To the airport.
Because I want to go to my home. It's too far away.
Okay.
It's stupid cool.
Too far away.
How about we go fly museum next time?
Yes.
Maybe Thursday, right, Kaiden?
No.
Huh?
No, I want to fly
Oh,
home.
Tyson runs the boss. He got lost. And after when I found him, he was crying. He was hiding in the box.
You were hiding from Daddy,
Was
right?
it locked? Did he accidentally lock it?
It wasn't
I'm like-
locked. Daddy has to go
It was,
to
I
to security and say my son is missing,
This kid was in a box.
and he was hiding inside the box.
And
And then he cried out, and then audience saw him.
No, like, he didn't cry. I was like searching the boxes, and like, I either opened it or it was left open, and like, I just found
It was
crying.
completely closed.
I don't know.
I was standing next to the box,
Where was
and I
I?
called him, and I said, Evan,
like-
no, you weren't there.
And I'm like,
Oh,
I
I
found him. And I was just staring down, like, what?
Yeah, he was inside the box. Hey, careful, careful. Evan went shopping. after his airplane visit. Watch out for cars. Wow, lots of balls. Lots of balls. Fry electronic. Can I hold your hand? This is car coming. What you buy?
Everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Like what? Like everything?
Yeah.
Seriously? What?
Where are we going now?
We're gonna go home.
Where are we going home, Daddy?
You want Daddy to stop by McDonald's?
Yeah.
Yeah? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Or you feel like a floating PC going out the
You
door.
say yeah.
You want to have your own coffee cup.
Yeah.
Okay, wait for me. Come on. Okay.
I will put the parking.
Now Evans is at McDonald's eating his chicken McNugget. You like it? What's your favorite drink? Where is it? What's it called?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's called Flappe. Can you say Flappe? Can you say Feppy? No?